What's in my beach bag? Of course, first we have room keys. Then we have inhalers, labello, tissues. Then we have lipstick. Which is also very good. This one is a natural one, coconut and vanilla, and this one is from Guerrillo. Then we have chewing gums, another lip thingy from Essence. This one is also very good. It has a light color to it, like this. Then that's it from here, and then we have the bigger department. I have sunglasses. These are very nice, also because they have 2 cases. These ones. Then I have this after sun, which I also use to hydrate. A little beauty case with most important medicines. That's the bag for the camera that I'm filming on. Sunscreen. AirPods. And this little thing, which is really cool for the camera, for the Osmo, so I can go underwater. Got one more towel to like put on the head or whatever. Safety backup. That's it.